came down, went up, and broke structures to the downwards direction. Because of this move, I call this move the 1, 2, 3 move. 1, 2, break structure. Once this move happens, you're potentially going to be selling. So since the move has already broken structure to the downwards direction, you are potentially going to be selling. How are you going to be selling? You are going to find, because you can see this place was a support zone, price bounced off this point, came here, bounced off this point, went up and came down to break it. So I'm going to draw a zone area on this particular support zone, right? And I'm going to wait for price to come back into that support zone. I'm going to wait for price to come back into that support zone, and I'll be looking for a sell. But how am I supposed to be looking for that? I want this particular support zone to be in line with the top of the Bollinger Bands. If my support zone is not in line with the top of the Bollinger Bands, I may not take that trade. So if, for instance, this Bollinger Bands was somewhere down here, the top of the Bollinger Bands was somewhere down here, and my support zone is on the top, even if price touches the top of my Bollinger Bands, I will wait for it to come to this point before finding the sell. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if the support zone is down and the Bollinger Band is very high, if price gets to the support zone, I will not take it until the Bollinger Band meets it. So don't worry guys if I'm speaking too much English. This is like a back test, so we're going to be scrolling through the chart so you can see more of what I'm talking about, and you will understand the strategy perfectly well. Now this is where the price is right now, right? So I drew my support zone. We're going to wait for the price to get into the support zone and see what happens. All right, so you can see price has gotten to the support zone, and what you would have seen is price got to the support zone and we have our Bollinger Bands just at that support zone. This is exactly what we want. So what do? The moment a red candle closes below our moving average line, remember the moving average is this white line. So the moment we have a sell candle that closes below this moving average, we will take a sell and we will sell to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, however long or short that place is.